Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing another DIY hair mask. I haven't done one in quite some time, so I thought it's time to share another hair mask with you guys. The last one I did was a DIY hair mask for hair growth, and then the one before that was a DIY hair mask for dandruff. I'll leave both of those linked in the cards if you guys want to check them out. In today's video though, I am going to share with you guys a DIY hair mask that will help with hair growth, but it's also a super clarifying hair mask. And so this is going to be perfect if you have a lot of buildup in your hair is just really dirty and gross and you just really need to strip it all clean. The reason I really like this mask so much is because with my short hair, I have been using a lot of hair wax, hair gels, all that kind of stuff, and it just kind of like builds up in my hair and it's very hard to wash out with just shampoo. So that's why I like doing a mask like this that's super clarifying and cleansing to really clean my hair and my scalp. If you hear the little pitter patter, that is Zoe walking around on the hardwood floor. Hi, my princess. Hi, princess. By the way, the day that I'm filming this, it is Saturday, and tomorrow, which is Sunday, we are gonna go back to the hospital and get her stitches out, aren't we? Either Sunday or Monday. I'm gonna call them, but I think she's almost ready to get her stitches out. She's doing really, really good. So that was just a quick little update. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. So here is what you're going to need for this clarifying hair mask. You are going to need apple cider vinegar. Ooh, I hate this stuff. It stinks so much and I just, but it's super good for your hair though. Apple cider vinegar has a ton of benefits for your hair, not only to help cleanse it, but also help with hair growth as well. I'm going to leave it like all the info on the side over here, little educational portion of the video. The next ingredient you are going to need is baking soda. This is what's really going to help strip and clean your hair of all the junk, gunk, goo, dirt, bleh, bacteria, everything that's gross on your hair. This is going to help strip it clean, as well as the apple cider vinegar, but you're going to need baking soda. And then last but not least, good old coconut oil. This is like the magic when it comes to hair masks and growing out your hair, keeping your hair healthy and hydrated. Coconut oil. I love this stuff. So I do not have measurements for this mask. I'm sorry. I am going to start with the baking soda and just pour some in a bowl. It really depends, oops, I think I poured way too much. It really depends on the length and thickness of your hair. I have short hair, so obviously I don't need that much, but if you have longer hair, thicker hair, obviously you'll need more. So, oh, Zoe, are you moving the camera, baby? Oh, I got this cool little setup. I wish you guys could see. So I have the camera like facing me here, but then I have my vlog camera. It's right here. You guys can't see it, but it's right here, and it's recording a bird's eye view. Look at how cool that is. Why have I never done this before with my hair mask videos? This is genius. Okay. So I have the baking soda in here, and now for the apple cider vinegar, you're gonna want to watch this. That's why I wanted to have this camera set up so you can see, because it's gonna get bubbly. Okay, so we're just gonna pour a little bit of the apple cider vinegar in here. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, I hate the way this stuff smells. So we're going to mix that all together, and then it's going to become a nice thick paste. If it's too liquidy, feel free to add more baking soda. So now I'm going to take the coconut oil here. We're just gonna use our hands. So I got like this much coconut oil. Gonna drop that in there. Let's do another little scoop too. So like that much, and just plop that right on in. And I'm just going to continue to mix this all together. Okay. So we have our little concoction here, and now we're going to take a foundation brush and then just start painting it onto our hair. So here we go. Just painting this baby on. Oh my gosh, I'm going to get this all over my shirt. Then again, when don't I get my hair mask all over me. I think that's just part of it. Warning, you will get this all over your shirt. Feel free to be brave and just use your hands. So the longer you keep this on your hair, the more that the coconut oil is going to melt to the heat of your head. So it's going to start dripping on you. So just be aware of that. You can definitely put a little plastic bag or trash can, not trash can, put a trash can on your head. Trash bag over your head, like a shopping bag over your head to catch any of the drips and fallout. So we're gonna leave this on for 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes if you really want. Just allow the mask time to sit and soak into your hair and your scalp, and then just go ahead and rinse out your hair with shampoo as you normally do. So I went ahead and put a little shopping bag on my head, and I'm going to let this sit for about 20-25 minutes-ish, and then I'm gonna go shower and rinse this all out, and I'll see you guys back when I'm done. So I just got out of the shower, and here is my hair all fresh and clean. It feels so healthy, and all the junk, all the yuckiness, any hair wax or hair gel completely gone. And like I mentioned, I just used my regular shampoo in the shower to wash it all off, and like instantly you can feel how clean and soft your hair feels. So if you guys give this DIY hair mask a try, let me know how it goes for you in the comments, and also let me know if you want to see any other DIY hair mask for like specific needs. Yeah, let me know that in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!